Please follow the troubleshooting steps below to solve this issue. Step 1. Make sure the software of your Garmin device is up to date and appears as connected. To manually check for software updates, connect your device to a personal Windows or Mac computer and use the Garmin Express program. Ensure that your Garmin watch is connected to the Garmin IQ app. The My Device icon should display as connected. If your device shows as disconnected and couldn't get it to connect, please follow the following troubleshooting steps. 1. Disconnect the device on the Garmin Connect mobile app and Bluetooth connectivity from your phone. 2. Reconnect with the Garmin Connect mobile app. 3. Open the Connect IQ app again. 4. Delete and reinstall the Connect IQ app if the issue persists. Step 2. Remove the Connect IQ content from your device. Note: your device will not appear as connected in the Connect IQ Store app unless it is first connected to the Garmin Connect app. Open Connect IQ Store on your mobile device. Select My Device. Select content that is causing error on your device. Under Installed, select the content. Select Uninstall. Repeat if you have multiple items with errors. Restart your mobile device. Restart your Garmin device. If you don't know how to restart your Garmin device, please refer to the FAQ in the video description. Step 3. Reinstall the Connect IQ content to your device. Open Connect IQ Store app on your mobile device. Ensure your device is selected and connected by selecting My Device. Once your device is selected and shows connected, decide if you want to reinstall the previous CIQ content or install new content. To access previous content, go to My Watch Faces, Device Apps, Data Fields, or Music. Under Not Installed, you should see your previous downloads. Select Content. Select Install. Review and accept the terms, if required. Grant permissions, if necessary, by selecting Allow. On your device, a prompt will appear confirming that the app has been installed.